eFavorMart is a one-stop party supply shop that brings your most Pinterest-worthy event planning dreams to life at wholesale prices. As you can see throughout this entire video, I'll be using products from eFavorMart, making my winter wonderland dreams come true. Before I found eFavorMart during the summer, I would always see like professional parties and stuff and be like, where did they get all that stuff from? Like, it's so gorgeous. Like, I didn't think it was something that I could do on my own. I thought it was like a professional party planner, but with eFavorMart, I'm able to make it look professionally done on my own. Like, look at these beautiful arches. I feel like they add so much to the parties. They're a great backdrop for pictures and they just make me really happy. Also, the table covers are my absolute favorite because I don't have to worry about them blowing away when we have outside parties, but also it just makes like the plastic tables look so much better than, you know, just having like the metal legs exposed, and I just feel like it's really upped our party decor. Some specific items from this party alone that I really loved, and I know that all of our guests loved as well, were the beautiful like whimsical looking trees. I have two set up, one next to the party backdrop and one on the kitchen counter, which you saw in the beginning, and it just looks so beautiful, as well as these trees that you see on the island here with like icicles hanging from them. It's just so beautiful. And thanks again eFavorMart for sponsoring today's video. This is 3 days before the actual party, and now when you see us here, we're on 2 days before the party. We are doing the balloon art and the kids are helping me blow up the balloons. I love anything with lights. I wanted some more height to this, so I was like looking all around the house, and then I found this little end table in my room and I was like, oh, that'd be perfect. Then I didn't like how it looked with just the metal, so I found a tablecloth and then some sequins to kind of like be like a tree scarf, not a tree skirt. I don't know if that's actually a thing, but that's what this would be if it was a thing. Wrapping it around to cover up how the bottoms looked, and it was just beautiful. And you know, for parties, I always put like the age balloon up there. The last thing that I'm doing on this particular night before bed is adding some more of like the Mickey Minnie balloons, and then I'm gonna call it a night and we'll be moving on to the next day. I'm also hanging up these happy birthday balloons.
Where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at? Where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side. All day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, yeah. The flow shine.